children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about multiplication, a two-digit number with one digit with carrying problems. Today, multiplication of three-digit numbers with one-digit number without carrying. Yesterday with carrying, today without carrying. Okay, first of all, find the product. Find the product. Find out the answer. Okay, here 221 to 2. Here three-digit number. See, Nana. 1, 1, 2, 3. Three-digit number. Multiplication of three-digit number with one digit. That means only 1. Multiply 221 by 2. Okay. First of all, multiply digit 2 with in ones place 1. That means 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 1. Like this. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay. In the tens place, what are given in the tens place? 2. Multiply digit 2 in tens place by 2. In tens place by 2. That means 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 2, 4. So 2 twos are 4. Now next, in the hundred place is the 2. So multiply digit 2 in hundred place by 2. That means 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. So the product is 442. Product here 442. This is the first problem. See now. Multiply 323 by 2. Multiply 323 by 2. The ones plus 3, tens plus 2, 100 plus 3. Multiply digit 2 in ones plus 3 by 3. The ones plus by 3. That means 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are like this one. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So 6. Okay. Next, see Nana. Multiply 2 digit. Multiply digit 2 in tens place by 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. So in the tens place 4. Okay. Same as this. See Nana. Multiply digit 2 in hundred place by 3. 100 place by 3. That means 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. These problems are without carrying. Any carrying coming? Without carrying. Okay. Next, third problem. 200 multiply 204 by 2. Multiply 204 by 2 in the ones plus 4, tens plus 0 and 100 plus 2. Multiply digit 2 in ones plus 4. Multiply digit 2 in ones plus 4 in the ones plus by 4. That means 2 into 4. 2 tables in 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So now write in the ones 8. See Nana, what are given in the tens place? 0. Multiply digit 2 in tens place by 0. By 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 equal to 0. That means 2 zeros are 0. So here write 0. Okay. In the 100 place 2. Multiply 2 in 100 place by 2. 2 into 2. 2 2 multiply 201 by 4. Multiply 201 by 4. The ones plus 1, tens plus 0, 100 plus 2. First of all, multiply the ones place. See now, multiply digit 4 in ones place by 1. Ones place by 1. That means 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. So now write under the ones place 4. Okay. Next, the tens place. Multiply digit 4 in tens place by 0. By 0. That means 4 into 0. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. So now write 0 under the tens place. Okay, understood? Next, multiply digit 4 in 100 place by 2. 100 place by 2. See now, 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So now write 8 under the 100th place. What is the product here now? 804. Product is 804. Okay? The 4 problems are over. Next, let us go to the 5th problem. What are given in the 5th problem? See, multiply 312 by 3. Multiply 312 by 3. 1 plus 2, tens plus 1, 100 plus 3. Multiply digit 3 in ones place by 2. Ones place by 2. That means 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So now write 6 under the ones place. Understood, Nana? Next. Multiply digit 3 in tens place by 1. Tens place by 1. That means 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. So now write 3 under the tens place. Okay. Next. Multiply digit 3 in 100 place by 3. That means 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So now write 9 under the 100 place. Okay. The product is 936. 936. Next. Multiply 321 by 2. Multiply 321 by 2. Multiply digit 2 in ones place by 1. Ones place by 1. That means 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So now write here 2. Okay. Multiply digit 2 in tens place by 2. 2 into 2. That means 2 twos are 4. So now write 4 under the tens place. Okay. Next, multiply digit 2 in 100 place by 3. 100 place by 3. That means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So now write 6 under the 100 place. The product is 642. 642. More 2 problems have seen. Multiply 300 by 2. Multiply 300 by 2. Multiply digit 2 in ones place by 0. In ones place by 0. That means 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. So now write here 0. Same in the tens place also 0. Same as this. See Nana. Multiply digit 2 in 10. In tens place by 0. That means also 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. Okay? The 100 plus 3. Multiply digit 2 in 100 place by 3. That means 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So now write 6 under the 100 place. See Nana, the product is 600. The product here 600. See last problem. Multiply 124 by 2. The 1 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 100 plus 1. Multiply digit 2 in 1's place by 4. That means 2 into 4. 2 into 4. That means see Nana. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So now write 8 under the 1's place. Okay? Next, multiply digit 2 in 10's place by 2. That means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Multiply digit 2 in 1's place by 1. 2 1s are 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. The product is 248. Understood, Nana? The page number 57, more 4 problems are. I explained 8 problems, have more problems here. That is your homework. Okay? Okay, children. Bye.